Hello everybody, my name is Orna. I'm a ceramic designer, teacher, and a painter. I would love to share with you a free hedgehog tutorial that was inspired by my true childhood story. In the end of this video, I'll share with you a very profound word in Hebrew that relates to everyone and can guide us all. So please stay tuned and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. Thank you. And now the word that have many guiding meanings is omanut, which is art in Hebrew, with the root word amen. Do pause if needed to catch up with the script. This word gives a wonderful explanation that we are here to practice life. For example, I can't master pottery only from looking on others and reading about a place and say, I know it already. We have to jump in to a real tangible experiences and live it and try it, taste it. Is it really my cup of tea? Is it really my truth? Do I really love it? The amen letters are marked in red. This word have few guidelines. You'll see in a moment. Some letters are changing their appearance when they are in the end of the word, like in this example. In the Bible, the word amen means true, so be it, will be so, and more. And now the meaning, ha'amen ba'atzmecha, believe in yourself. Amen et atzmecha, train yourself. Lahafoch le'oman, become an artist. Ba'emet shelcha, in your true. And now to summon this word, omanut, art, ha'amen ba'atzmecha, believe in yourself. Amen et atzmecha, train yourself, practice. Lahafoch le'oman, to become an artist, master. Ba'emet shelcha, in your true. Most words I read, I see in them more other words. Since childhood, the letters in the words look to me changing, dancing, and being read in a different meanings with clues like I saw in this word. ברוב המילים אני רואה בסדר שונה של אותיות, מילים אחרות עם משמעויות שונות ומסרים מנחים. In my next videos, you'll see a very special presentation of the inner truth, accompanied by my diverse artwork that fits the non-addicted plants theme of the therapy. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. For more interesting videos, please subscribe and press the like button.